guys, it's me, Brooklyn.
And me, Bailey.
And this is Brooklyn
And Bailey's
Adventure Channel. And right now, we're going to show you what our new cat looks like. You're probably like, what? You got a new cat? Okay. And Brooklyn, what are you doing on your phone?
Our cat.
You should explain what happened first, Bailey.
So our cat, we got it, and my mom, like last night, we saw it in Nana and Papa's. If you don't know, that's our grandparents' flower bed, and they live right across from us. So we were like, oh, that's a cute kitty. So my mom said, why don't I just get it some cat food and walk it back to our house? She was like, I was at Nana and Papa's house, and
we asked if we can keep it.
Yeah,
it had no collar, nothing. It was just in the neighborhood.
Yeah,
and it was really hungry. It ate all of the food, and the food was like that much.
Yeah, and so
it ate all the food. So
my mom said we could keep it, and it had to be our outside cat.
So we were going to give it a collar because somebody might just take it because it doesn't have a collar, doesn't know who it is. So we were gonna do our name, address, the cat's name.
Yeah, and trying to find it.
Yeah,
and
but when we looked, eventually she was gone. She wasn't there.
Yeah.
So we were like panicking, looking, but she wasn't there. So we were about to go to Carnival, get a collar, and we're putting out these.
Well, we're not getting the collar at Shoe Carnival. We're gonna look for some shoes. We might vlog there just a little bit, maybe like a part 2 or something, of getting the collar at Shoe Carnival or something like that.
We're gonna get her some stuff, and apparently,
wait, let's see if she's back there, guys. She's not. We'll look back again when we go outside to see if she's on the porch. Because usually if you feed a stray cat, it comes back to your house to get more food. So I'm pretty sure it will just be out. My mom said it might be just out doing its normal cat things and then might come back.
Yeah, and we really need to get a collar for it.
Yeah.
And we can't find our own, we can't find Kitty's collar that we don't use for her since she doesn't go outside, doesn't need it. It has a bell on it, so just
we thought that
would
be perfect, and we should put a tracker on it. But, oh no, maybe that might
we didn't find it, so.
And it's a little kitten, and it's so cute.
Yeah, and.
Show the video of it that I did.
That you did? Here, just, okay. I was gonna just.
So sad. We miss it so much. Isn't it so cute, guys? So sad.
And it ate all of that food, and we.
It did. It ate all of its cat food. But it's so sad. We left some food out here, so if it comes back, it will just. And I left a toy out there and stuff. We gave it a treat, and it really liked it, I guess.
Oh, there's a lot of animal videos on that sound.
It's kitten. So, we miss you.
Yeah, but we are going to put out some posts, some signs.
Oh, it makes it so sad if I look at that. It just makes it so sad. If I look at everything called cats or something.
Like this.
Ah! Everything in here is related to a cat. Almost.
And like Kitty doesn't really like us that much. She's always like scratching Bailey's on the eyes.
Yeah, and it's like we're not trying to be like not trying to make you worried, but like just because she's not really we've had her for 1 or 2 years now, and she just has to get like. Did it just hiss? Oh.
That was
well, it just. It's just. Our cat is kind of nice sometimes.
Yeah.
We just want to like if you grow like. If you have a kitten,
and she's not really playful. She's lazy.
Yeah,
and the other cat,
is like playful, and then it's a tabby.
So sweet, and
tabbies are so cute.
I know. I always wanted one of those.
Yeah, and it's a kitten tabby, so it can grow up with us. Our mom won't let us inside because it might have a disease or something.
Yeah, and she doesn't want to take it to the vet because it's too expensive.
Yeah, it's really expensive though. How do you open this thing?
And just leave it.
I'm going up to the top bunk to open it, so if the cat does come, we can look at our window.
And show y'all that the cat
It loves... Oh, I found our poster. We're not going to show it because it has our address on it, so you guys cannot come to our house and look.
We can't show the posters. Sorry about it, guys, but we can't show you
The poster, it has our address on it. My mom was looking for it, so I have to tell her that I found it. Mom! Mommy! I found the cat poster. So guys,
But
we
we're
are
gonna
thinking,
copy the.
guys, we might get a new house like next year or something, and we might get a dog next year.
Or we might not, since we already have a cat.
Yeah.
Because
But
our new cat that we just got. But
Well, we didn't really get it. It
Yeah.
came to us.
yeah, and it didn't have a collar or anything, and it was hungry, so I don't think it had a home, or else the home would have fed it. If
I don't
anything,
think
if
you're
they-
opening it. I think it's the other way.
If anything, if it had a home and they didn't feed it, then why should we give it back? Because
I mean,
that's
like,
just rude.
if they didn't feed it, that's just rude. It's a little kitten. It needs food.
Yeah,
It
and
probably
maybe
went
came
off
from
in,
a
like,
cat.
It might have, maybe it was just born.
It could have.
Maybe it's, 2 weeks old. Because when I got my kitten, it was about the same size as that one, and it was, 2 weeks old. So maybe it just got born, but what if it, oh my goodness, I do not want to think of this, but what if it did I mean, I'm just second guessing, like, what if it really did? I mean, if it never comes back, I have a feeling that that's what happened. Because my mom, when I was visiting her, when I couldn't see her, when when we had that old house,
Oh yeah.
we had a kitty, and it ran outside, and she had a kitty, and it ran outside, and it ran over. So, and it was like a stray. Like, we're just thinking.
And we can train it. Like, we can train it.
But obedient school is so expensive.
Not obedient school.
Oh,
We can train it ourselves.
Because
So
there's a
listen,
lot of
like,
dogs at
road
obedience
is
school.
bad, other people bad, us good. And
Okay, will
when
you
we say
film?
somebody is good, then somebody is good.
I gotta go ask my mom something.
So guys, like, if you see her, please give her back. I'm really sad. Like, that was our chance to get a cat, because me and Bailey were like begging, we're like, please can we get a cat, please can we get a cat, and like when we get a bigger house. And then now that we found the cat, they're like, fine, we can keep it, but it has to be outside.
Mom said we're fixing to go.
Okay.
We're fixing to go. Yeah, so we're just second. And what if it had a real owner, but they didn't give it a collar? And it just went back home? Cause that's, yeah, what if it just ran out of its house and
What if it ran out of its house only if something was open?
yeah, maybe if they have a doggy door and it was open on accident. And they, we have a doggy door.
No, that's cat door.
Yeah, we have a cat door. Wait, I think did I just see something real quick in the driveway? I thought I did.
Oh my god. Oh,
Did it come back? I'm pretty sure I just swear I heard him meow. I'm not joking. Run. Did you hear it? Because I did.
I didn't hear it.
Dang it, it's not back. I swear I heard something.
That was Kitty. I guess it was Kitty.
Want to go see our kitty? It's using a dryer, isn't she? Oh, there she is. But we want our other one. No offense.
Kitty's like, I don't care about your mess. I don't care about what you say.
Can I weigh myself, Kitty? All right, great, thanks. 43 pounds and 8 ounces. Have a little darker smile.
What?
Why does it have to be running shoes?
She's gonna do some running, right?
Where?
That's what your mom told you that?
I guess, like, well, I might do running club. So, yeah. And PE. So,
Today?
like PE. No,
Oh.
I'm just saying I might sign up for running club. And then PE class, there might be running
Okay,
PE
well,
class.
chop chop, let's go.
Okay, let's go.
Where are my black shoes?
And where is the cat poster? So it's
Go get, did you bring any socks? Yeah, go grab some
Bring my-
socks out of your bag.
okay.
What, Bailey, get some socks out of
Don't know her.
Bailey, get some socks. Don't show them. Don't show them.
I'm not. We can't show you a poster because, again, it has our address on it, so don't want to show you that.
Bailey, which socks?
I don't
These
know.
ones?
Sure. I'm just grabbing, like,
Or-
normal white ones.
These ones?
Hey,
These
don't
ones?
know her. I don't.
These
Do the
ones?
blue ones and the
Or
purple.
these ones?
Blue and purple.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me grab my desk one. Don't know her. So, she's got the paper, the poster. Let me grab my desk now. Don't know. What if the kitty doesn't come back?
Y'all put a sign out, what if it belongs to somebody else? That'd be weird.
Well, we don't know if it does, but it doesn't even have a collar. I think that.
Okay.
We're gonna go copy our poster real quick.
After we got shoes,
Wait, after?
yes.
Why
Get this done
after?
with.
I thought you said before.
What if we just have Nene and Papa? Well, why can't we call them? Because
It's just gonna be real quick.
No, I'm the mom. I said we're gonna get shoes first.
Okay. It looks like it's gonna storm. No, it's not here. Little kitty!
should we get a trade and put it in its food? So just in case.
No. I already have a toy.
There was a tree that could have came like, ew, yummy. It smells tasty.
Let me grab my. Don't know her. That's all her. But there's like a lot of cats that just come around like our neighborhood, and they don't have any collars, and they just come around. And
Or in this neighborhood or your dad's?
what?
Your dad's neighborhood?
No, here.
Oh.
A lot of kids just run around. Or I mean, cats just run around like, and they don't have any collars. Is Brooklyn doing running today?
No, it's not today. She's just getting shoes for it.
Oh,
Yeah, I don't know when running club even starts.
I'm trying out for archery. Don't know her. Wait, what if that's her cat? Because she has a lot of cats. Do you see that cat anywhere? We're gonna get copyrighted, Mom. Thank you.
You're like, you're gonna get copyrighted, Mom. Thank you. It might get out of the road. I just don't know for sure. So
I'm just so you don't know, I do have my seatbelt on.
I was gonna take my wrist.
Oh, I forgot to grab mine.
Yeah, I was gonna grab my
Don't
black
know.
one, but I didn't know. Then I was gonna wear my pink one, but then I was like, nah.
Can I get more scrunchies?
Looks super rainy. Hurry up and get this show on the road.
Show on the road, show on the road.
To me, it doesn't look super rainy.
Yeah, look over there.
It's so cloudy. I think it's gonna storm today. That means Papa will have to come back.
Did you go to work?
Yep.
You went early?
About I woke up at 9. I didn't think it was 9, so I went and because I was rolled over on his pillow, so I was like, yeah, he just went in the living room and laid down. So I ran in the living room, and he wasn't there. And Nana yelled my name, and she was like, "What are you looking for?" And I said, "Papa." And she was like, "He went to work." And I was like, "Oh, what time is it?" And she was like, 9:36. And I was like, "Oh." I slept in. 9:36 is late. No, I slept till 10. Remember when we had that sleepover with Millie and me? Yeah.
I was there again.
Are you sure you slept till 10?
Yeah. 9 or 10.
That's hard to believe.
No, remember you were you walked in and said, "Are y'all dead?" Because we don't sleep that late.
I thought my dad was dead when he was on vacation and he didn't tell me and he didn't answer my calls. I was like, are you dead?
Well, we're going again. You know this time, right?
Yes, now I
And
know.
our phones probably won't work out there on the water.
Yeah, that's what he said. And I was like, okay. Now I know not to say, my dad is dead. He sunk in the boat, the Titanic.
Please don't make this be like the Titanic. What if Cosmo is the next Titanic?
Cosmo, what's that?
The cruise you're going on.
We're going on the Dream.
Oh, the Dream. Did you go on Cosmo last year?
No, we're on the Triumph.
Oh. Are you going to Cosmo?
Cozumel.
Cozumel.
Are
That's
there
what I
big
meant.
sharks?
No.
Have you ever seen sharks?
No.
I've seen a shark before.
I don't
I've never seen a shark at all.
I saw a shark at an aquarium.
Yeah, I've
That's
seen a
what I
shark in an aquarium.
Me either. I mean, I haven't.
Yeah,
And I saw a whale in an aquarium.
I've never seen
I
a
saw
whale.
a dolphin.
I've
Came up to
seen a
me, I was like,
dolphin. Remember when Dad went to the beach with me when I was a toddler? All I remember was Sissy told me when I was a toddler, we went with...
yeah, I petted a baby shark.
We shark do baby.
I petted a baby shark.
And,
So cute. I was like,
oh, I have seen a shark at an aquarium. A baby one.
I petted a baby.
Baby shark.
I petted a baby one. And this year I went to an aquarium and there was this shark.
Mom, so my sissy said that when we went to the beach when I was a toddler, that when we did that, we were jet skiing. I remember when I first got on the jet ski, I was crying because I didn't like it because we were going really fast. But and then we had to Sissy said that when we were on the jet skis, she thought she saw sharks, but it was really dolphins. And we got to pet them, and they were just swimming up to us. It was cool. I don't remember it, but it sounds cool. So, don't know how. Nap, stupid nap.
And didn't we
we probably will be the unluckiest people and not get from.
I remember I was like the shoe carnival in Conway, and then you get to spin the wheel.
Don't know.
To win a prize or whatever, and you have to do this dare or whatever. And I was with Luke, and the person said that you had to do the floss to spin, and so I did that, and then I got to spin. I got this like card or whatever.
I keep on catching it. See?
Hair brushed out?
Mine is.
Mine's close.
Your hair is so long. It's like the length of my mom's. I've seen one girl, her hair was to her butt.
My sister Kristen's hair is pretty long. I bet my hair's gonna be long like hers. I hate it. My mom's always like, time to get a haircut. I'm like, trim. I'm like, okay.
You don't like it? You don't like to get it trimmed?
Not really.
Why?
I
love
it.
getting my
Yeah,
hair
I
cut.
really like it because it makes my hair feel healthy. But at first, I didn't know that trims make your hair grow longer.
Yeah.
But they do. Now I know. But I kind of liked it because it made my hair look healthy. Because my hair is soft, really straight.
My hair, everybody's like, plays with my hair in class, and I'm like, stop it. And they're like, but your hair's so smooth.
Oh,
I'm
yeah,
like,
people did that. They're like, there's like 3 people doing my hair.
Yeah,
Or
like, there's
4.
like,
They're like, your
4
hair is
people.
so long. Here, get this piece of her hair. Get this piece of
They
her
once
hair.
put my
And, like,
hair
it's
in a
like-
braid. Like 4 braids. And I did not like it.
My hair sheds.
Everybody's hair sheds.
Of course. It's like cats. We're cats.
Can we go to
Meow.
Buffalo Wild Wings?
Oh. And boys are like dogs.
I love Buffalo Wild Wings.
Oh my gosh.
Even though I've only had it twice, I love it. I love Buffalo Wild Wings. Why do they call it Buffalo Wild Wings?
I have no idea.
That's just a weird name. Comment down below if you like it. 'Cause I know I do. Don't know.
Remember, if you want a shout out, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and comment down below. But if it won't let you comment down below, I get it. But we might get a notification that this person subscribed. Then we might give you a shout out.
Alright, guys.
Only if it
Okay,
Guys.
we're here. We're not going to film inside because I think there's music inside and copyright and stuff like that. And we don't want to get like... Yeah, it's
That's
just...
just full boom, you win.
Yeah, we're not going to film inside, so I'll see you later.
Bye. That's part
Bye. See you in part 2.